Hello everyone. So if you want to change your Google Map voice on your Android phone, here's how to do that. First of all, let's open up our Google Maps, of course. Here they are. Now simply tap on the top right corner. You can see your profile icon, so tap on it to open up this tab. After that, we gotta locate our settings. Let's tap on them. And there we are. Now let's scroll through the list of settings in order to find our navigation settings. So let's do this. There you are. Here is your navigation settings. So here you can see your voice selection. That's exactly what we need. Let's tap here. So there is a default voice going on. If you speak for example, if you want to keep your phone on English, but you want your language to be any other language, simply locate the desired language. For example, as I already have it here, Czech, and let's press play test sound.
Váš cíl bude vpravo.
Okay. If you want it to be just a different voice, there's no direct option of it. However, every English accent has a different voice. So, for example, let's compare voice on the default.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
And let's compare the voice in UK English.
Your destination will be on the right.
Let's check US English.
Your destination will be on the right.
Alright, so it's different. You can also choose whether it's going to be softer, normal, or louder, and you can also set up your mute state. Make sure that you activated play over the Bluetooth and play voice during calls. If you don't hear it for some reason, maybe swipe down from the top right corner and turn off your Bluetooth, because maybe your headset connected to your phone and you can hear it there. And basically that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.